Unlike a traditional BOM, which lists components in a flat structure, an indented bill of materials represents the hierarchical relationship between components, subassemblies, and the final product. It will show the highest level of a parent closest to the left side of the listing and all the components that are used within the parent item indented to the right. Any other levels that are shown are indented even further to the right depending on the proper build of the bill of materials. Keep in mind that if a component is used in a different place within the bill of materials, this component will be shown more than once under each of the subassemblies it belongs to.